Many may not have known Vivian Osunyi, Bethia Itulwa, and Praise Shodipo, but they were students at Queen's College, Lagos, whose young lives were cut short prematurely this year. Between February and March, in less than a 2-month period, Queen's College, Lagos lost 3 students. The students died from an infection contracted from the school premises. The matter was brought before the Senate at plenary.
The Senate is dismayed that factors which prompted the closure of the school were such that vigilance and good management could have helped avoid such issues as severe overpopulation and poor care for the student population, part of which reportedly resulted in the death of 3 young girls. Saddened that by the end of January 2017, the sick bay in the school, a facility put in place to provide mostly basic and preventable care for children, was full to capacity with hundreds of sick children complaining of similar sickness, presenting symptoms of stooling, vomiting, fever, pains in the orifice and various skin infections.
The state of Queen's College is pitiable. It is, as described by the last speaker, disgraceful and shameful. The college is more of a symbolic of a concentration camp than it is a public institution.
The Senate President wants a wide-scale investigation into the circumstances surrounding the death of the 3 students.
We will also ensure that we look into the idea of a public hearing to find out what really happened, who were those that were responsible for it, and if there's any evidence of any criminal negligence, that whoever involved should be prosecuted.
The Senate directed the Minister of Education to urgently upgrade the infrastructure in the schools and provide safe water and sewage treatment, as well as expand the boarding facilities to decongest the dormitories. The upper chamber has also mandated the chairman of a committee on appropriation to make adequate funding in the 2017 budget to upgrade the infrastructure in Queen's College. However, the point remains that 3 young students have died in what many say was avoidable circumstances and can never return. Linda Akibi, Channels Television News.